double security gun lock gives the safest and easiest solution for guarding your weapon. The lock is compatible to all types of handguns, hunting rifles and military weapons. Locking it is quick and simple. All you have to do is connect the barrel with a trigger guard to the security point and lock it. The double security gun lock is the best solution for preventing accidents and theft. Now the trigger is guarded and no intruder or child can activate the weapon. Only you can quickly access your weapon with the key you have. The double security gun lock is made of coated steel that protects your weapon. Better to be safe than sorry. Buy the double security gun lock now.